Hello students, welcome back to the math class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 7, that is triangles. In this class we are going to learn some more concepts of triangles. Let us discuss exercise 7.1, question number 6. It says, in figure 7.21, AC is equal to AE, AB is equal to AD and angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, so that BC is equal to D. Let me draw the diagram first. Students, as you can see, I have drawn a similar diagram that is given in your book. So, what are the given datas? Given AC is equal to AE, AC is equal to AE. Then AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to AD. So, angle BAD is equal to, okay. So, what is being asked? It is being asked to show that BC is equal to D, fine. So, to prove BC is equal to D, let us first check where these two sides lie. BC and DE. BC is one of the sides of triangle ABC, triangle ABC. Same way, DE is one of the sides of triangle ADE, triangle ADE. Fine. So, if we can prove that these two triangles are congruent triangles, then it will be proved that BC is equal to D because they are corresponding sides. So, let us try to prove. See, students, you can clearly observe that this angle, that is angle DAC is adjacent to both angle BAD angle BAD and angle CAE, isn't it? DAC is adjacent to angle BAD and angle EAC. So, angle BAD plus angle DAC is equal to angle EAC plus angle DAC. Why? Because angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, that is given. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, it is given. So, when we add these two angles, we get angle BAC. That means angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. DAE. So, now we have angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. So, now let us concentrate on triangles ABC and ADE. Okay? In ABC and ADE, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, AB is equal to AD, AB is equal to AD, that is given, fine. AC is equal to AE, that is also given, and angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. it is proved already. Fine. That means these are two pairs of equal sides and this is a pair of equal angles, which is included angle for the sides, isn't it? AB and AC, the angle BAC is included. In triangle DAE, AD and AE and DAE is the included angle. That's why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE. That means as these two triangles are congruent, now we can see that BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE. Because these two sides are corresponding sides of the triangles ABC and ADE. Okay, hope you understood. Students, let us discuss question number 7. What it says, AB is a line segment and P is its midpoint. D and E are points on the same side of AB such that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE and angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. What we need to prove? Triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and AD is equal to BE. Students, let me draw the diagram first. Students, I have drawn the diagram as per your book. So, what are the given data? P is midpoint of AB. Okay, P is midpoint of AB. That implies AP is equal to BP. Fine. And angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. What else? Angle EPA is equal to angle DPB. And what we need to prove? First, triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP. To prove triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EBP and AD is equal to BE. So, to get into the congruency of triangle DAP and EBP, let us concentrate how we can go through the question. Okay? In triangle DAP, which is the triangle DAP and EBP. See, as we have done in question number 6, we can see that angle EPD is adjacent to angle EPA and angle DPB. Okay. So, angle EPD is adjacent to both angle EPA and angle DPB. That implies angle EPA plus angle EPD is equal to angle DPB plus angle EPD. Why? angle EPA is equal to angle DPB, it is given. Fine. So, that means angle DPA is equal to angle EPB. Okay? EPA plus EPD. EPA plus EPD, that means DPA. Same way, DPB plus EPD is your EPB. Fine? Now, let us concentrate on those triangles. Which one? DPA and EBP. So, in triangle DPA and triangle EPB, angle DPA is equal to angle EPB, we have proved it. Okay. Now, AP is equal to PB, it is given. Fine. AP is equal to PB and angle DAP is equal to angle EBP. Why? Because it is given that angle BAD is equal to angle ABE. Okay, that means angle DAP is equal to angle EBP because P lies on side AB. Fine. So, now we have two pairs of equal angles and a pair of equal side. So, we can clearly say that triangle DPA is congruent to triangle EPB by AAS congruency. So, we have proved that triangle DAP is congruent to triangle EPB. Fine. Now, what else we have to prove? AD is equal to B. AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to B. Exactly. We can clearly see that these are the corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. So, AD is equal to BE. Clear? Now, I hope you have understood this clearly. Okay? Let us discuss question number 8. It says, in right triangle ABC, right angled at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. C is joined to M and produced to a point D such that DM is equal to CM. Point D is joined to point B. We need to show that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Angle DBC is a right angle. Triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB and CM is equal to half of AB. CM is equal to half of AB. Fine. So, let me draw the diagram first. Students, I have drawn the diagram as per your book. So, let us discuss the given data first. Okay? It is given that ABC, it is a right angle triangle. Fine. ABC is right angle at C. That means angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Fine. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. That means AM is equal to BM as M is midpoint of AB. Okay. C is joined to M and produced to a point D such that DM is equal to CM. DM is equal to CM. What it says, C is joined to M and produced to D such that DM is equal to CM. And what we need to prove? Triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Okay. So, to prove, first, triangle AMC is congruent to triangle, second, angle DBC is a right angle, third, and fourth, CM is equal to half AB. We need to prove these four. So, let us first go to the first bit and prove triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. For that, we need to concentrate on triangle AMC and triangle BMD. Okay. So, in triangle AMC and triangle BMD, we have found that AM is equal to BM and DM is equal to CM, it is given, it is proved. Fine. And angle DMB is equal to angle AMC. Why? Vertical. They are vertically opposite angles. So, we have found two pairs of equal sides with included angles. So, that is why triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD by SAS congruency. Fine. So, we have proved the first bit, that is triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD. Okay. Let us discuss the second bit. It says angle DBC is a right angle. Let us see where it lies. Angle DBC. Okay. Angle DBC. So, we have already proved that triangle is congruent to triangle BMD. It is already proved. Fine. Second bit, angle DBC is a right angle. So, angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. We need to prove. Fine. So, angle DBC, this should be 90 degree. How can we prove? If we can prove that triangle DBC and triangle ABC are congruent, then we can prove that angle DBC is a right angle, because it will be the corresponding angle to angle ACB, which is already given that it is a right angle. So, let us try and prove that triangle DBC and triangle ACB. Let us concentrate. Fine. We need to prove they are congruent. So, in these two triangles, BC is common side. Fine. BC is common side. Now, let us concentrate on angle BAC and angle CDB. Okay, you can clearly see that these two angles are the corresponding angle of triangle DBM and triangle AMC, which are congruent. So we can say that angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. So we can say that angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. Why? Because angle BDC and angle BAC are coinciding angles which are equal because triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. So angle BDC and BDM, they are equal. Same way angle BAC and angle MAC, they are equal. MAC and angle MDB, they are equal because they are corresponding angles of congruent triangles AMC and BMD. So now we have got another data. We have a side which is common and we have a pair of angles which are same to each other. Now what else we should look for? We should look for another side or another angle which should be equal to each other. Let us find it out. These two triangles, triangle AMC and triangle BMD, okay, they are congruent, and we have already given that AM is equal to BM and DM is equal to CM. So in these two triangles, when we consider triangle AMC and triangle BMD, okay, AM is equal to BM and DM is equal to CM. That means BA is equal to CD. So I can write AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD, fine. BC is common side. Angle BAC is equal to angle BDC. But can we go for the congruency of the triangles with these data? Let us check. So in this case, BC is a common side, okay. AB is equal to CD, AB is equal to CD, and angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle BDC, angle BDC. But in that case, this angle is not the included angle for BC and AB. The included angle for BC and AB is this angle which we do not know about. That's why we need to prove that the included angles, that is BDC and BAC, BDC and BAC, they have to be equal, isn't it? So as we have already proved that these two triangles are congruent, that means these two angles are also congruent. That means they are equal to each other. So we have angle BDC is equal to angle BAC. Fine. Angle BDC and angle BAC, they are equal to each other. Now we have AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Why? Because AC and BD, they are the congruent parts, isn't it? As these two triangles are congruent, triangle BMD and triangle AMC, they are congruent. So AC and BD are the corresponding part of the congruent triangles. So they are equal. AC is equal to BD. Now let us check. AC is equal to BD. AB is equal to CD. and these two angles are equal. That means AC, AB and the included angles, BD, CD and the included angles. Now we can say that triangle BDC is congruent to triangle BAC. Which congruency? Yes, that is your SAS. Fine. Now in this way we can prove that triangle BDC is congruent to triangle BAC. So as these two triangles are equal, so angle ACB is equal to angle DBC, corresponding angle of the congruent triangles. What is angle ACB? Angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. That means angle DBC is equal to 90 degree. It is also proved. Fine. So what else? Let us go to the third question, that is triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Third one, triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. Okay. So we need to concentrate on triangle DBC and triangle ACB. Triangle DBC and triangle ACB. Triangle DBC and triangle ACB, which have already proved. We have already proved that triangle DBC is congruent to triangle ACB. What else? CM is equal to half AB. What is CM? CM is equal to half of AB. As these two triangles are congruent, so we can say that CD is equal to AB. CD is equal to AB. So as M is equal to BM, so in this case CM is equal to half CD, CM is equal to half CD, and CD is equal to AB. That's why we can write that CM is equal to half AB. We can write that CM is equal to half AB. Okay, students, I hope you have understood this question properly. Please practice all these questions and revise well. So students, in this class we have discussed questions of your first exercise of triangles. In our next class we will discuss some more concepts about the triangles. Okay, till then keep smiling, take care, thank you.